So as arguments rage over the party gate and also the handling of the COVID crisis in the United Kingdom, Prime Minister Rishi Sunak has been blamed for asking the government of letting the virus, quote-unquote, rip a bit. And this is according to a new diary extract that's been disclosed to the COVID inquiry. The Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, who was a Chancellor in the Boris Johnson's government during COVID, is now set to face interrogation next week. And this comes after the former Prime Minister Boris Johnson said that the public's characterization of Partygate was far from the truth. The latest revelation has come on the heels of Rishi Sunak denying and saying that the government should just let people die rather than impose a second national lockdown, an allegation that is now being denied by the leader. The latest excerpt has also blamed the Prime Minister of telling the government to let the virus rip a bit. Now, the Prime Minister had earlier refuted the allegations that had surfaced in the previously released diary note, and the notes in question were reportedly made by the Boris government's chief scientific advisor during COVID, Patrick Vallance. And the note is from a conversation between the then Prime Minister Boris Johnson and the then Finance Minister Rishi Sunak. Another extract from the same record has revealed that Rishi Sunak had also pushed for the immediate lifting of COVID restrictions and getting rid of all curbs. Now, earlier this week, the former Prime Minister Boris Johnson was also interrogated after public anger erupted over COVID lockdown breaching parties called the Partygate. The inquiry has heard evidence from advisers that, fearing the impact of the pandemic on the economy, Boris Johnson did not allow for another lockdown. This in turn had caused the virus to spread uncontrollably, and the former Prime Minister is not required to testify any further, though he had asked for a new investigation. During COVID, the United Kingdom had faced its biggest health crisis in decades. The country also saw one of Europe's longest and strictest lockdowns, as well as one of the highest death tolls across the continent. And according to data, coronavirus has killed more than 200,000 people in Britain and infected millions of others. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.